Hello everybody, my name is justAboxTV and today I'll be showing you guys how to install some shaders. Now before I get into this, I just want to say a couple of announcements. I will be posting, I'd say, about once every week now instead of the 2 times a month thing I said in my introduction video. Just want to say that right now. And also I got this really nice all new Blue Yeti Pro, and I'm kind of testing it out. I don't have a pop filter for it yet, so the little P's might not sound as pleasing, but I'm just testing it out. Tell me if you guys actually notice the difference or not. Like, be honest. Okay, now let's get into this. So first things first, you will, I guarantee you that you will not be able to run these shaders if you have integrated graphics. And one way to check that is by going down here on the bottom left if you have Windows 8, and then you just go to programs and features. My bad. Device Manager. There you go. After you go there to Device Manager, just go to Display Adapters. It should be right here. Be careful what you do here, because if you disable or enable some things might not work on your computer next time you restart. So as you can see, I have a GTX 980. It's the best single GPU in the market as of now for gaming. Well, okay, some people might fight me for that, but still, if you see NVIDIA or that, you should be good. But if you see something like Intel integrated, you're probably not good. The AMD APUs, I'm pretty sure that they can run it just a little bit, but I'm pretty sure that they won't be able to run it like as well as the good GPUs. So that now that you know that, let's get into the stuff you had to download. So first things you need to do is find the select version that you want. So you can use Forge for this for 1.8, but I highly suggest you don't use it, because if you're planning on joining some servers, it will not let you join. I don't know why this is a thing, but most big servers will not allow you to use Forge to join for 1.8, okay, as of today. So if you want to get Forge, go ahead. So I'm going to show you guys how to install Forge as well. So first thing you want to do is get the desired version you want. This will work for 1.7 as well. It's the exact same thing. So I'm going to get 1.8. So I'm going to get that. As soon as you click that, I'll go here, and then you're just going to skip the ad and download it. I'll just keep it for now. And then after that, you want to get your desired version of Optifine. Again, I'm using 1.8. As of now, the shaders mod core is not for 1.8.1, so I'm going to get the one for 1.8. So I'm going to download Optifine for 1.8, and then it should bring you here. So I'm going to download that too. Oh, request not found. That is weird. Hold on. I'll get back to you. All right, let's see if this works now. Okay, there, I got it to work. I don't know what happened there, but now it's working. Okay, now you got Optifine and Forge, so you get the last thing, shaders mod. I'm going to put all these links down in the description below. So again, I am using 1.8, so I'm going to go in here on the download page. It's going to be loading. I think the video is going to play here in the bottom right, so I'm just going to pause that if I can. So then you click the download, and then there you go, it should start. It will say it might harm your computer, but I guarantee you it will not harm your computer, so keep them all. And now that you have all these, I highly suggest you firstly make a backup of all your stuff. So if you don't know how to do this, all you have to do is press the Windows R button, and then you type %appdata%. After you do that, you just take this entire .minecraft, okay? And then you just drag it to your backup folder. So I'm actually going to make a copy instead of just dragging it directly. There you go. It shouldn't take that long. And then after that's done, I'm just going to proceed to delete this, and then we'll have a clean install. That way it'll make everything a lot easier to do. So I'll just get back to you when this is done. Alright, we're back. So as you can see now, I have it in my backup folder. Yep, there it is. Here's all my stuff, and I don't have to worry if it gets corrupted. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just delete this .minecraft. Okay. And then you just want to open up your Minecraft. And then after that, make sure you run the version that you want. So if you're using 1.7.10, oh, excuse me. So I'll just do while I'm doing this. So if you want to run 1.7.10, make sure you choose the profile for 1.7.10. If you're using 1.8, make sure you use the profile for 1.7.8 if you want to use 1.8. So I'm using 1.8, so I'm just going to do this. Select 1.8. That's the version I'm using. And if you're using shaders, you might want to use about 2 GB of your GDDR5 RAM. Some people believe that you need a lot of RAM for this, but I disagree with that. It depends on the speed of your RAM and if you have a dedicated graphics card. I can actually just run this with like about 3/4 of a gigabyte. yeah, so it all depends on your GPU's processing capabilities. Okay, so now it's going to start up, and after this happens, just click quit game. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to do it for every single version. So first we'll do the Forge install, and then we'll skip to the Optifine. So for Forge, just open up this thing, and then you want to click on install client. Make sure it's in your .minecraft in your roaming, or wherever else you saved it. So you click OK. But now you just wait for this. It's going to install everything. And then after that, you should be good. So I'm gonna skip ahead. Alright, as you can see here, now it's installed all the stuff, and you just gotta click OK. Now you want to relaunch your Minecraft and make sure it actually runs first, so you don't have any more problems at the end. So click the Forge and make sure you're running the right version. And again, I'm gonna give it 2 gigabytes, not 12. So again, make sure you're using Forge, and then you select the right version. So then you're just gonna click play again and make sure that everything's working. Okay, I think it's gonna work. Yep, there it is. Okay, now I just want to quit. Just go back to your .minecraft. Now you'll see the mods folder. So all I have to do now is open up the mods folder, and then you take the Optifine and Shaders mod, and then you just put them in here. So I'm just gonna drag it in there. I think there's a little glitch with 1.7.10 right now. Well, not right now. They're not going to fix it, of course. But I think that you have to have it on fast, not fancy, or else it'll crash if you're using 1.7.10. So as you can see now, I'm just going to make sure everything's right. Everything's in the mods folder, and then it should have the shaders. Wait, which folder? There. While it's running, I'm going to look at it. Yep, it should make the shader pack folder. Now, I'll have it create a new world. I'll name it test server. Make it creative, that way it can fly and stuff. Okay, now while it's creating, let's install some shader packs. So I already have some in my backup folder, so I'm just gonna take some from here. So I'm gonna take the shader pack. My favorite one is the CUDA shaders. I'm gonna put my 3 favorite shaders down below in the description and the links. So all you have to do is take the shaders and drag the entire thing to the shaders pack folder. It's right there under your saves. Maybe I'll do like a shader review if you guys really like it. I'll see how it goes. But for now, as you can see, I dragged in the stuff, and this is really annoying. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change that. Okay, so as you see, graphics fancy. I'm using 1.8, so I don't have to worry about it not working on me. But it might crash for you if you're using 1.7. So yeah, you be warned if you're using fancy. What else was I going to do? Make sure that you're using the right shader pack. So here you go. Now you're spawning some water. So here it is without the shaders first, and then here it is with the shaders. Behold. Oh yeah, everybody, look at this nice water over here. Oh my, it's so nice. Here, let me see. My computer's pretty beefy, so it can actually handle all this stuff right here. You can see that instead of the old Minecraft, which some people prefer, I enjoy this one way more. It gives Minecraft a whole new meaning. Especially this water. It is so nice. You can have multiple shader packs installed at a time, but you can only use one at a time, if you guys understand it. So this looks really cool. I wonder if I can change it to nighttime. Set night. There you go. It's nighttime now. Now you can see this. There's the moon, little aura. As you can see, there's a little bit of fog. I don't know why, if that's a part of it. I personally don't like that, but this is all you get. See? Okay, now that you guys understand that, I'm just gonna save and quit the title and quit the game. Now, I'm gonna show you guys how to install it without the Forge, because if you try joining a server with it, it'll not work. Yeah. So first thing you want to do is I'm gonna keep the shader pack folder. So I'm gonna instead of installing Forge, all you gotta do is click on Optifine 1.8 HDU. Okay, you click on that, and it actually has an installer. So then you click Optifine, it's been fully installed. Right now, after that, you click on the shader mod. Okay, and now make sure you have closed the Minecraft launcher, else you're gonna have some problems. And after that, you select your base version, and I'm gonna pick 1.8 Optifine. That's all you gotta do. And then after that, it's super easy. You just run as administrator. Okay, and then after that, make sure you choose the shaders mod thing and change it again to have some more RAM. If you're running it on 1080p or above, if you don't have 2 gigabytes of RAM allocated, you're gonna see a lot of stuttering. Trust me, I had that before and it's really annoying. So I'm gonna run it now, and as you can see, it's running just as well. I don't have Forge. Here are my shaders. I'm gonna run it so that it starts it when I get into the game. So I'm gonna go back here in my test world, and you can see it's running just as fast. There's nothing here that's like making it any slower or worse. The water's still good. Everything's good. Now, I didn't show it before, but if you're using 1.8, let's say I want to direct connect to a server. So the only one I know right now is us.netflix.com. Okay, as you can see here are the shaders now. It's a bit dark here, but this is the only server I know right now by heart. It's a bit dark, so let me try joining a game. So as you can see, there's no difference really between using Forge and not using it, but I suggest that you should not use the Forge if you want to play online and stuff. So here we go. Here's some nice shaders. I don't have my hotkeys on, so it's a little weird for me to play. But here you go. Here's the nice water and everything. I suggest you turn off the clouds though, and cloud cloud shadow. That's all, and I'll see y'all later.